In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $10 every minute to type in Captcha. Now, for those who don't know what Captchas are or what they do, it's basically the step you take before officially signing up or going on a website that asks you to confirm that you're not a robot. With that, I think you already know what I'm talking about. Sometimes these captchas would ask us to select boxes with buses or boats, and sometimes these captchas asks us to type in what they are showing us correctly and accurately. You're probably like, is there really a website that's willing to pay you just to type in captchas? Well, there is, and that's exactly what we're going to be showing you today. We're going to be sharing 3 websites with you today that's going to pay you to type in captchas. 3 different websites. Can you imagine? It's free, it's available worldwide, and it's super beginner friendly. So what are you waiting for? As always, we're going to be walking you through this whole process step by step, and we're also going to be dropping some amazing bonus tips and tricks to use this method to its fullest and to make the most amount of money possible. So if you don't want to miss any of that, then make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. The first website that we're going to be talking about is called Captcha.com. And this is not even the highest paying website yet. So if you want to know which one of the 3 is the highest paying website, then you should stick around till the very end. Anyway, as you can see, you can work for Captcha. There's home entry work, instant payments, and it's easy to start. Online Captcha typing job. Captcha solving is a very simple and guaranteed way to have additional income on the internet. To work on the service, you only need a computer, keyboard, and an internet connection. The idea is that there are numerous types of images that cannot be recognized automatically, and there are people, who are customers, who are ready to pay for recognition of these images. We have created a service suitable for both customers and workers. We collect images from the customer and send them to you, the worker, in a simple interface where you need to enter the text correctly according to the shown images. You will earn funds for every correctly entered CAPTCHA. To start work on our service, you only have to register an account, hit on Start Work, and then the system will guide you through training tasks to show you what to do. After just 5 to 10 minutes, you will begin to earn money by solving captchas. Rates are at 30 cents per 1,000 normal captchas for 11 seconds and $1.01 per 1,000 re-captchas for 21 seconds. The process of solving a normal captcha is as follows. We take the captcha image from the page and send it to the Captcha service, where an employee, which is you or us, solves it typing the indicated text. Then the answer is returned to them, which must be entered in the appropriate field to solve the captcha. So click on Get Paid, and then it's gonna take you to here. So just proceed with the registration process like you normally would any, and that's pretty much it. And once you're all logged in, you can start working and start earning ASAP. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Second website is called megatypers.com, and this is how their website should look like. Easy job, easy money. Earn typer credits worth over $200 every month. Megatypers.com is a workforce management company that provides data entry services to private and governmental institutions. Our main goal is to support our clients' digitization requirements by converting scanned papers into editable digital documents. Our services also include image to text recognition, transcription from voice to text, and assisting the visually impaired to overcome internet's visual challenges. We're currently looking for typers from all around the globe. All you need to have to work with us is a computer with an internet connection and the ability to type at least 10 words per minute. Our schedules are flexible. You can work at any hour that you want and for as long as you please. The quicker you type, the more typer credits, which can be exchanged for a dollar currency, you earn. Megatypers.com is fantastic for mothers that stay at home, parents that need a second job, students, and people in between jobs. How much you can earn depends on the amount of work that you can do. Our top typers earn between $100 typer credits to $250 typer credits each month. Our payment rates start from 45 cents for each 1,000 word images typed and can go as high up to $1.5 typer credits for each 1,000 words typed. As typer credits can be automatically exchanged for a dollar currency, we may pay through debit cards, bank checks, PayPal, WebMoney, Perfect Money, Payza, and Western Union. To sign up, just click on sign up right here and simply proceed with the registration process like normal. And as soon as you're all signed up, you can immediately get to work and start earning. And that's basically for this website. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Our last website for today and our highest paying one is called colotobablo.com. And this is their website. Stable job for everyone, everywhere. Now why Colotobablo? First of all, it's stable. Colotobablo is working from 2007 and they're not planning to go anywhere. Second, it's accurate. You can track your entries and payments with their accurate statistics system. And of course, there's liquidity. You can instantly withdraw earned money to different payment systems, or you may even send it to another account. If you scroll lower, you're going to see some testimonials, which obviously adds to the credibility of this website and assures you that this website is reliable and trusted. So, to get ahead with the registration process, just click on Start Working right here, and then that's going to take you to here. So, just provide all of the information being asked of you, as always, and as soon as you're all signed up, you can start working right away and get paid just as fast. So make sure that you try all the websites out together because that's the only way that you're going to get the best results possible. So if you want the best results possible, then make sure you try everything, test everything out, do everything that we had just taught you, and that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it and we will see you in the next one.